what you're thinking. Tell me what you're thinking. You don't feel it, tell me what you're thinking. Tell me what you're thinking.
Critic on the track.
You don't feel it, tell me what you're thinking.
Tell me what you're thinking.
Tell me what you're thinking.
Codeine is what I'm drinking.
Tell me what you're thinking.
I'm just running this sun.
Tell me what you're thinking.
My fire just the deepest. I'm trying not to go off the deep end. Partying every day like it's Friday or the weekend. I ain't really into beefing, cause that shit I ain't with it. That shit I ain't really with it. You could get your wig split it. You already know I'm running up the millions, getting bitches stitches. Already talking about that beefing up on social media. I ain't really with it. Grew up in them trenches. Southside is 150. We will leave your wig split it. What I'm smoking on that loud. Tell me what you're thinking. Codeine is what I'm drinking. I'm just running this sun. My fire just the deepest. Pouring up all this potion up in my cup, rolling up that potent, and I don't give a fuck. Anybody that's wide open like a Randy Moss, them bullets, he gon' catch them. That's just what I'm thinking. That's why I'm reminiscing on Southside. It's my home, bitch. Leave me alone. I've been all up in my zone. I've been smoking up on an ounce. I've been hitting bumps off the dump. I've been rolling around with some dubs. I've been hanging out with the thugs. We rolling hard off them drugs. What the fuck, nigga? Tell me what I'm drinking. Tell me what you're drinking. Codeine is what I'm drinking. I'm just running this sun. My fire just the deepest. That's that GMG, that's that dark side, that's that SSU, nigga. That's that Southside unit, nigga. Hurricane beat. Boom, boom, boom. This all shit.